if you look at NAOV, I'm going to give you a channel breakdown. That's here, 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 and here. These are the channels that it's been trading in, right? And you got a little bit right there. So this is the channel it's been trading in. There were a couple things that I would look for Jimmy. In the beginning, Jimmy only traded shares. I would look for him for anything in our hot stock pick that was under $5. It had to have high amount of volume. And I had to, in the L2, meaning how many people were buying and selling. So I would always look right here to make sure he could buy enough of those shares. Typically it'd be, anywhere from 100 to 1,000 shares, give or take, right? If it was $3 and you buy 1,000 shares, that's $3,000. Just like right now, this is $3.75. So if you buy 1,000 shares, that's $3,750. So here's how this would work. When it would come down here to the bottom, and Jimmy used to call this the weeds. For the rest of you, that's called support. When it would come down here to support, this is where you'd pick up the buy, right? So you'd buy your 1,000 shares or however many right here. You'd wait for it to pop up. You can see this channel right here. You could do this over and over and over. See it? Then it would automatically have one of these nice runs. And this is where you make a ton of money. Then it would go back down. You'd look for the next channel. You can see it touched here, popped back up. So you're reading channels. You're looking for bounces and areas it's going to go. Like right here, he might not have traded anything. He waited until he saw this channel started to form. See it? Touched, 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 touched. Every time you buy here and you sell it when it moves up. You see this? Now, some of you are thinking, and this is the thing. This is what's crazy. And this is what Jimmy would always say. He'd say, listen, they'll only go up 6 to 10 cents. Usually they're around 6 or 7 cents. At 1,000 shares, 6 to 7 cents is how much money?
$600.
$600.
That's right. $60 to $70 every time it makes a move. Do that 100 times in a day. And now look how fast that can add up. That also does not include the times when it has a big run up, because you were buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying. Giant payday right here. There's $1,000. See it? Yep. So 265 here to 365 here. This is $1,000 on this run. See the difference?